आज का टॉपिक है थ्योरी बेस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग पार्ट 3। पहला है डबल एंट्री सिस्टम। इसमें क्या होता है, ड्यूअल एस्पेक्ट होता है। इसमें डेबिट होगा या क्रेडिट होगा। यदि कोई हमने ट्रांजेक्शन की है तो उसकी भी दो इफेक्ट आएंगे, डेबिट क्रेडिट। तो ये है क्या, देखो। डबल एंट्री सिस्टम मीनिंग is a fundamental concept in accounting that ensures accuracy, completeness, and reliability of financial transaction. It is a method of recording financial transaction in a way that maintaining the accounting equation. Asset is equal to liability plus equity. Key principles scans के dual aspect. Every financial transaction has two aspects, debit and credit, equal and opposite. For every debit entry, there must be an equal and opposite credit entry. Example: suppose a company purchase office supply for rupees 80,000 cash. Debit office supply 80,000, credit cash 80,000. In this example, office supply asset is increased by 80,000 debit. Cash asset decreased by rupees 80,000 credit. आगे क्या है? The term debit and credit used today have their origin from the term debito and credito as used by Luca fra Peculio in this book. Basis of accounting. लेन देन को नगद पावती या नगद भुगतान से दर्ज किया जाता है। कैश बेसिस। कैश बेसिस क्या है? द कैश बेसिस ऑफ accounting is a method of recording financial transaction based on the flow of cash and cash equivalent. It is a simple and straightforward approach to accounting that focuses on the exchange of cash. A क्या है इसका? Revenue and expenses are recognized when cash is received or paid respectively. Second है accrual basis. लेन देन को आय और व्यय के आधार पर दर्ज किया जाता है। अब मीनिंग देखो, accrual basis is a method of recording transaction by which revenue, cash, asset and liability are reflected in the account for the period in which they accrue. इसका ए देखो, revenue and expenses are recognized when earned or incurred regardless of when cash is received or paid. Expenses are matched with revenue to accurately reflect the company performance. तो मेरा टॉपिक यहीं ख़त्म होता है। यदि मेरा वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और लाइक दबा देना। थैंक्स।